All right, so there's so many videos out there about passive income ideas that are really popular on YouTube, and they're telling you that you can make $100 a week or $1,000 a week, and that you can create courses or do affiliate marketing, write a book, or invest in real estate, stocks, crypto, all these things. There's one big thing that these videos are really not telling you that I'm here to tell you today. If you really want to make passive income, you want to get off YouTube and start actually making money, here's what you're going to have to do. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Brian Elwood. I created enough passive income through real estate by buying a few dozen rental properties by the time I was 30 to where I didn't have to actually work for money again. Since then, I've been coaching and teaching others online, and I've created courses, written 2 books, and I do affiliate marketing as well. So here's the deal. If you want to invest in something like stocks or crypto, and you want to really see a big result, you need money to do that. If you start with $100 here or there, yeah, you might get a big gain over a long period of time. But I'm guessing if you're watching this video, you don't want to wait years and years to get out of having to trade your time for dollars. When it comes to real estate investing, the cool thing about that is you can invest with little to none of your own money, but it requires a lot of hustle. I did that. I got a lot of my properties this way, basically by finding private money lenders who would fund the deals for me, and then I would refinance with a bank and pay them back and then have those long-term mortgages. But that took me years of busting my ass and doing lots of scary shit, and it wasn't just some push-button system that got me rich overnight. Now, when it comes to things like writing books and creating courses, people are making a shitload of money online with these avenues. But here's the deal. Like, in order to write a really good book, in order to write a banger that's actually going to sell and then bring you clients, because really a lot of the money from books comes from the back end. Like, a lot of people, after I wrote my first book on real estate, reached out to work with me one-on-one, which I charge a lot of money for. But in order to really earn those books, I had to do the hard work of being successful in real estate. And then the second book that I wrote is about how to grow a 6-figure online coaching business. I had to grow a 6-figure online coaching business first. So when you're writing books, you really have to be legit and actually be able to walk your talk. And the same thing goes with courses. You know, I have a couple courses that are making me money on Udemy now, but I'm really only teaching things that I'm very qualified to teach. My real estate course on Udemy is like 35 hours long or something. No other course is even a fraction of that in detail on how to invest in rental property. Then another big passive income source is affiliate marketing. That's something people talk about all the time, you know, where you say, click my link and, you know, I get a portion of revenue. For example, I use Kajabi for my website, and I've had some people sign up through my link, and I make enough money each month through that to pay for my groceries. You know, it's a few $100s. It's nothing crazy, but it's kind of cool, right? It's like the equivalent of an extra rental property in passive income. There's not even any tenants or property management to deal with. But in order to do that, even to get to that level, I needed to have enough people to recommend this software to. So in order to be successful with affiliate marketing and make any kind of real money, you need an audience. You need people that you can share this with and have enough of them sign up for you to actually get a substantial amount of money. I still get a few $100s a month from another source of income, which is called PropStream. It's this real estate analysis software. But, you know, I had a 6-figure coaching business for years, and I worked with a lot of clients, recommended this to a lot of people in order to get enough people to sign up for that to be any substantial amount of income. So here's the truth that all these other videos aren't telling you. You want to invest in stocks or crypto or something like that, you need enough cash to put in up front to where the returns that it makes you are actually enough to like approach paying your bills or something you could live on. Otherwise, you're never going to have enough passive income to actually make a difference in your lifestyle, because that's what you want at the end of the day, right? Is to have freedom and control over your time. The best use of money is literally to buy back your time to give you freedom. And you're not going to get that through something like stocks without enough cash up front. If you make 50 grand a year and you need to replace that with passive income, and then stocks perform an average of 5%, you would need to invest $1 million in the stock market to make 50 grand a year to live on. And if you don't have $1 million, then you're not going to get financially free through stocks anytime soon. Then when it comes to real estate, you can get into that with very little of your own money like I did, but You have to work your ass off, hustle, and, really put deals together. You're on the phone, finding the house, finding the lender. It's not passive, right? It eventually becomes mostly passive once you have the house and it's been purchased, renovated, it's under property management. But I still have to deal with stuff like today. I have to mail a check to my property manager because I have a floor that is rotting out. It sucks. And I'm getting pictures from the contractor because it's kind of a big job. And so it's not entirely passive. And with courses and with books or ebooks, you need a really specialized set of knowledge that is super valuable and it's legit. You can't just go spend 30 minutes researching things. I see all these crappy books and audiobooks and ebooks on Amazon that are like 3 chapters or 30 minutes long. And I'm like, there's no way this book is comprehensive about this subject if somebody only spent 37 minutes recording an audiobook. Their audiobook is probably not selling at all, and creating that to try and make passive income was just a waste of time. So what is the solution? What is the answer? I've spent a lot of time thinking about this, and, I've had this career where I got financially free through real estate a long time ago. And then I started doing what I loved and coaching and helping and teaching other people online. And what I wish I could tell myself, my 20-something-year-old self, back when he was just really worried about money and passive income ideas and all that, probably like you are now, is to, instead of just focusing on how can I make some passive income, focus instead on what do I love to do? What am I really passionate about? And how can I start a business around that today and then work every day towards growing that? And then over time, let that business make me money that I can live off of, that I can put into stocks, that I can buy real estate with. And then the knowledge that I've gained through just delving into my passion, I can put into books and courses. I can build an audience, and then I can do affiliate marketing. Are you seeing where I'm going with all of this? Most of these passive income ideas that are pitched online through all of these popular videos, it's way easier to do that if you have a business, if you have a following, if you have a brand, and if you have that passion business that makes money as the foundation. The cool thing is that the passion business is really aligned with you. It's really what you would love to do. And it's not something that you're just trying to make some money off of. And if it doesn't work, you're going to quit 2 months later. And if you look at a YouTuber like Ali Abdaal, who I love, he's one of my favorite YouTubers. He has a video actually on how he makes 27 grand a week in passive income. He has said himself that really the foundation, the bedrock of his business is actually his YouTube channel. And from that channel, he is able to do partnership deals, sell his courses and sell his upcoming books and make ad revenue and make money that he puts in stocks and crypto. And now he's buying real estate. In another one of his videos, he says that starting that YouTube channel was the single best decision that he has ever made. I think instead of sitting there and saying, how can I just make an extra $100 a week? What if instead you took the approach that Ali took and built a foundation for yourself that is a passion business, where you're actually going to build a brand and you're going to be able to build an email list following and then build a skill set by, coaching on your passions for years. And then you can package that up into courses. You'll have the people to sell it to. You can do affiliate marketing. You can make a bunch of money that you can then put into stocks, crypto, real estate, whatever it is you want to do. And that is the secret. And that is what I really wish somebody would have grabbed me by the shoulders and told me so many years ago. If you want to start one of these online education businesses, like you want to coach or teach or help people or be a YouTuber or a podcaster or author or blogger or whatever your version of that is, I have just published this book. This is actually a proof copy, so it's got this band on it, but the book is now live. It's called Nail Your Niche, the 7 ingredients of a 6-figure online coaching business. And I've been making 6 figures as an online coach for the better part of a decade now. I've invested tons of money into coaching programs. I've worked with Brendan Burchard, Russell Brunson, Dean Graziosi, all the big names. And everything that I've learned, I put into this book. It turns out there are some foundational decisions, strategic decisions that you really should get right if you're going to get into this online education business. This book will help you do that. This book will help you, instead of just kind of looking for surface level passive income ideas, really say, what is my mission? What is my purpose? What do I really want to do with my life that's going to make me a good income and make a big impact on the world and help other people, so it's fulfilling too. These online education businesses where you document your journey, share your story, share what you've learned. I don't think there's any better way to make a good income while making an impact on the world and having a great lifestyle in the process, which income, impact, and lifestyle, those are what I am all about. And so if you want to learn how to do that, grab this book. I promise you will not regret it. I'll put the link in the description down below. This will help you do what I wish I would have done years ago when I was broke and I was looking for passive income and I was trying to figure out my next move, because I really wish that I would have built a personal brand around my passions and just started documenting my journey, building a following, sharing what I know, and then put the investing stuff for later once I actually had more money to invest, because that would have been a way where I would have actually made way more money overall in the long run. And I would have never sort of detoured from what I'm passionate about to just doing something because I really want the money. I think it's best to do what you love today, let that make you money, and then use that money to invest, to create passive income, to buy yourself more freedom and more options. But the cool thing is, when you start a business that you love, you're not really trying to run from it all the time, okay? You're not trying to get freedom from your business. In fact, I love Mondays and I look forward to working on my business because it's in alignment with my passions and my mission here on earth. So this book's gonna help you find your version of that. If that sounds good to you, click the link down below, grab this book, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.